Our gig-based learning tutorials for satisfaction in brackets I Can't Get No by the Rolling Stones are here. We've made a simplified cover version of the Rolling Stones classic so you can sing or play along with a band even if you've never played or sung before. Now, we've made tutorials to show you how to play it. But these are more than just tutorials. We call them guided practice sessions because we guide you through everything you need to know and do to be able to play the song by the end of the session. There's a satisfaction guided practice session for drums, bass guitar, keyboards, rhythm guitar, lead guitar, and even some auxiliary percussion. By the time you've finished your guided practice session, you'll be ready to play along with our gig-based learning backing tracks for each instrument. If you have access to more than one instrument, we'd love you to learn those. And make sure you have a go at the vocal part with our backing tracks for singers. Most of all though, we hope your friends are learning the other parts too, and you can all come together to play satisfaction in a live performance. Let us know how you go, and we'd love to see or hear any recordings you might make too. Look out for more gig-based learning simplified covers, guided practice sessions, and backing tracks coming soon. Now, over to you.